You can get mismatches. Sometimes it's going to be in the slot. If you want to, you can line him up in the backfield. And you saw what Deebo Samuel did in the post. He's going to be a third-round pick, and he's going to be a very good football player. Big-time kickoff returner.
Echelon quarterbacks in the NFL, and still questioning whether he has that or not.
Ooh. The Egg Bowl, Lane Kiffin versus Mike Leach. How about that? Thanksgiving will never be the
press
same.
Conference for the Egg Bowl. There's Herbert again.
No,
That's what a lot of these guys, I know. I'm being facetious. It's just.
But Rich, the difference is, Rich, and let me tell you why it's so important for a DB. There's a difference. It's great if you can.